Hello everyone, you are watching Daily English, Day 11, from TeacherTechTube. This is Sam, your personalized English speaking coach. Today I am gonna teach you 15 ways to say you do not know. 1. I have no idea. 2. I don't have a clue. 3. I am not sure. 4. It is beyond my knowledge. 5. I don't know. 6. I am not aware of it. 7. I am afraid, I have no idea. 8. Sorry, I have no clue. 9. I am not the best person to answer it. 10. It's a mystery to me. 11. I am unsure about the answer. 12. I think it requires a bit more research. 13. I can't remember off the top of my head. 14. I will check and let you know. 15. I guess I am not able to think in that line. Thank you for watching it. Please subscribe to